Reflection 2: Impacts of Earth Health on Various Dimensions of Human Well-Being by Hunter Gadet. The health of the Earth can have a variety of effects on the various dimensions of human well-being. Exploring the ecological relevance of how environmental factors influence physical, psychological, and emotional performance can have a dramatic change in one's perspective on how they relate to nature and the planet's resources. The impacts of environmental factors such as air quality, water pollution, and access to green spaces has an important role in the physical well-being. The depletion of resources discussed in class allowed me to reflect on how health of the Earth can affect resource supply and how it relates to my physical well-being. I'm very grateful to be provided with a nearly unlimited supply of clean water and not to have to worry about air pollution in my personal and work environments. The impact of these two variables allows me to maintain healthy living conditions and improves my daily productivity. The increase in productivity is a result of not only the maintenance of my physical health, but also the minimal effort required to ensure I can supply my health with these two crucial nutrients, allowing for more time to be allocated to exploring the abundance of green spaces available in my area. With the low density of urbanization in the province, there are plenty of opportunities to connect with nature in a variety of green spaces. Some areas, which drastically improve my physical health, are out on the lake at my house and on the ski hill at Martok or Wentworth. These green spaces provide physical exercise and are excellent tools in disease and illness prevention. While there is a tremendous number of physical benefits of a healthy ecosystem, there is an equal number of psychological benefits present in nature. According to Diane Vella Broderick, who conducted a systematic study on the effects of nature on cognitive functioning in school children, nature has the potential to reduce cognitive overload, reduce stress, and increase well-being. In my personal experience, I have found a few specific connections to the land that have immeasurable benefits to my psychological health. The primary example in my everyday life is the cold plunge in my clean freshwater lake. These 2 minutes of nature-connecting cold exposure is unlike anything I've experienced before when it comes to reducing cognitive overload, as Diane mentioned in her study. The clear mind allows the detoxification of my psychological health and is an excellent example of how a well-maintained green space can impact one's psychological well-being. The final aspect to discuss regarding my relationship with the health of the Earth is how it affects my emotional well-being. Humans have a special connection with nature, as it can provide feelings of awe, tranquility, and it contributes to a perspective larger than oneself. A healthy environment allows me to explore the relationship with nature, which ultimately leads to a state of reflection. If you were to analyze the relationship between humans and nature from a spiritual perspective, you may often conclude that humans feel connected to nature when surrounded by a healthy ecosystem. This allows for an emotional relationship to be made with your surroundings, opening my personal perspective on life to something greater than my own thoughts.